Hello kids, welcome to your math classes. I'm your math teacher Vaibhavi. Yes, in the last class we have learned division as equal distribution. As you remember, division as equal distribution. So in this equal distribution, we learned how to share our quantities. Okay, I have given you an example of sharing of your chocolate between you and your friends, or whatever you have with, you are sharing your sweets, you're sharing your pencils, your erasers, whatever you have, you're sharing equally among your friends. So next we have learned also about repeated division as repeated subtraction. We have also learned about your repeated subtraction, how we are going to create the groups or identifying the groups and dividing them. Okay, today we are going to learn about a new concept, that is long division. Division as long division. What do you mean by long division? So let us see stepwise. Okay. Let us see stepwise. So long division. So before going to this long division, we will learn what is the symbol used for division. Till now I said equal distribution, repeated subtraction, but a new term has come now. So this is division. Now the symbol used for division is this: 2 points in between a line, a line in between these 2 points. This is called as the symbol for your division. So I say 15 divided by 3. Yes, I wrote 15 divided by 3. Now how I should carry out this division? So that is done by your long division. So let us see how we are going to write this. Okay, first what we do is, first step what you have to do is arrange your numbers. Okay, how we are going to arrange these numbers? So 15. So this is how we are going to arrange your numbers. Your 15 is called as dividend. What it is? Divided. The number which has to be divided. This is the number which is divided, right? 15 divided by 3. This number has to be divided by 3. So this 15 is called as dividend. I repeat, 15 is called as dividend. Dividend. Okay. Next, this 3 is called as divisor. What it is called? It is called as divisor. The number which is going to divide, it is going to divide this other number. Other number is 15. This is called as dividend. Okay, what is my next step? After arranging the numbers, I arrange the numbers, right? Now, what I have to do is, I have to read the tables. Because why I need to read the tables? Because I need to find out 15 where it is falling in the threes table. In the threes table. Let us recall your tables. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12, and 3 fives are 15. Yes. What you are doing? 3 fives are 15. You are writing 5 here. So what you have done? What is my first step? I have arranged my numbers. What are your numbers? My numbers are 15 and 3. I have arranged, and this 15 is called as a divided, and the number which has to be divided, the number which is being divided is called as a divided. The other number 3 is called as a divisor. This 3, the number which is going to divide the other number is called as 3. This was my first step. What is my second step? What I'm doing? I'm reading the tables. So till I get this 15. 3 fives are 15. two steps are here. Now, what I do is I go for third step. What is my third step? My third step is I am multiplying the divisor as well as the quotient. So 3 5s are 15. So this is my third step. 3 5s are 15. This 5 is called as quotient. What it is called? It is called as a quotient. 15 is your divided, 3 is your divisor, and 5 is your quotient. So what you are doing? You are multiplying these two. So next is multiply your divided as well as the quotient. What is my fourth step? What I do is my fourth step is 15, 15, 3, 3 5s are 15. What I am doing? I am subtracting. What I am doing? I am subtracting. My fourth step is subtraction. My fourth step is subtraction. 5 minus 5 is 0. 1 minus 1 is 0. The answer we got, it is called as remainder. What it is called? It is called as remainder. So 15 is called as a dividend, 3 is called as a divisor, 5 is called as a quotient, and 0, the final answer, whatever you have, is called as your remainder. Okay. So this is how you follow the steps for long division. What was our first step? First step was we used to arrange in numbers whatever we have. So now I have 15 and 3. 15 and 3 we have arranged. And next number is I have to read the tables until I get the number. So 15 is my number. I have to read the table so that I get this 15. 3 5s are 15. After this reading, what I am doing? I am multiplying this quotient as well as a divisor. Divisor as well as quotient are multiplied to get 15. 3 5s are 15. After this step, we follow subtraction. What? Why subtraction? Subtraction has to be done. So 5 minus 5 is 0. 1 minus 1 is 0. This is called as your remainder. Okay. I hope all the 4 steps are clear. We'll consider one more example to learn more about. Okay. So I have taken 25 divided by, my second example is 25 has to be divided by 5. Now what we do? First step is arrange your numbers. What is my first step? I am arranging my numbers. Arranging my numbers. So this is 5. Whether I have arranged my numbers? Is. Next step what I do is I read the tables. 25, 5. So read the tables. 5 ones are 5, 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15, 5 4s are 20, 5 5s are 25. Yes, I have read the table where I get 25. 5 5s are 25. What is my third step? After reading the table, what I do? I multiplied these two. I multiply I multiply divisor as well as a quotient to get my product. 5 5s are 25. After this step, what I do? After this step, I follow subtraction. Yes, 25. 5. This is done. 5 5s are 25. After multiplication, I have written. After this, I go for subtraction. So 5 minus 5 is 0. 2 minus 2 is 0. This is how you carry out your long division. And these are the 4 steps you carry out for long division. Okay. So the terms related to long division are, divisor, dividend, quotient, and remainder. These are the terms which are related to your long division. So divisor is nothing but the number which is going to divide the other number. Okay. Divided, the number which is being divided. Quotient, the product, or when you read the table, so that will give you the quotient. And remainder, the final answer is called as a remainder. Kids, you have to remember all the 4 terms. Okay, next we'll go for the next concept. The next concept is relation between multiplication and division. Now, what is multiplication? You know, have you learned about division? Now, let us see how both are related to each other. Now, the terms in multiplication, we say, consider an example, 5 into 4 is equal to 20. Yes, children, 5 4s are 20. Is it right? Yes, read the tables. So these 5 and 4, these are called as your factors. What are these called? In terms of multiplication. Okay, this is a multiplication. In multiplication, what we do? These 5, we consider an example, 5 into 4. 5 into 4, these are called as your factors. 5 4s are 20. So these are called factors. And when you multiply these two factors, when you multiply 5 and 4, we get the product of these two are called, gives us, this is the product. Okay, gives us this, but when we multiply 5 4s are 20, the answer is called as your product. In division, how they are related. Let us see. Now I say 20 divided by 4, which gives me 5. Yes, 20 divided by 4, which gives me 5. Here 20 is called, yes, very good. This is called dividend. What it is, the number which is being divided is called as dividend, and this 4 is called as divisor. Very good. This 4 is called as a divisor and 5 is called as quotient. Yes, very good. This 5 is called as a quotient. So, in multiplication, we call 5 and 4 as factors, and the answer is called as your product. As well as in division, 20 divided by 4 is equal to 5. When you divide this 20, as you see here, 20, 4 5s are 20. So, the remainder is 0, the quotient is 5, 20 is a divided and 4 is a divisor. So, this is how both are related. Now, let us see how they are related. So, after seeing this, we come to a conclusion that division is an inverse of multiplication. Let us see. So I say division is inverse of multiplication. Okay. So as we had 5 into 4 gave us 20, 20 divided by 4 gave us 5. These two were factors and this was a product. When product is divided by one of the factor, we get the quotient. That is, both are inversely related. That is, division is inverse of multiplication. Now let us see this through an example. I have got 5 boxes. Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. How many boxes do I have? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. In these 5 boxes, what I do is I place 3 pencils. 1, 2, 3, 4. In each box, I am placing how many pencils? 3 pencils. Okay. 3 pencils I am placing. 3 pencils I am placing. So what I do? Now I have got 5 boxes. I have 5 boxes. In 5 boxes, how many pencils did I place? In each box, I placed 3 pencils. Yes. Now, I need to find out how many pencils are there in all the 5 boxes. What I need to do? I need to find out how many pencils are there in all of my 5 boxes. What I do, kids? I directly write 5 into 3 because the number of boxes I have is 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. How many number of boxes do I have, kids? I have got 5 boxes. In each box, how many pencils did I place? I have placed 1, 2 and 3. So, how many in each place I have kept? 3 pencils. So, 5 boxes. In each box I have placed 3 pencils. So, totally how many? Can anyone try to tell what is the answer? Yes, 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10 and 5 threes are 15. So, there are total 15 pencils in all my 5 boxes. 3, 3, 3. See, let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. Yes, it is 15 pencils are placed in each box. This was in regard with multiplication. Now let us consider with division. So, there are 15 pencils in each box. 15 pencils like division. So, there are 15 pencils, okay, where 15 pencils are placed in 5 boxes. 5 boxes. So, be clear, listen attentively. 15 pencils, total 15 pencils I have got, where these 15 pencils are placed in all the 5 boxes, right? All the 5 boxes. So, my question is, how many pencils do I have in each box? So, let us find out this by doing division. So, 15 divided by 5. So, this is 15, 5. Now, come on. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15. So, the answer is 15. So, how many pencils do I have in each box? Is 3 pencils. Yes, this is how you correlate between multiplication and division. This explains the relationship between multiplication and division. Thank you, kids.